Welcome to the Chic Assignment for July 2021. Hi everyone, Jennifer here and welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. The Chic Assignment is a monthly challenge that I propose to you where we enrich our lives by learning about new composers, artists, and poets and doing other activities that help us get through the month. The Chic Assignment is brought to us by the Chic Society, which is my private membership group here on YouTube. You could press the join button down below or the link in the description box. And I do one vodcast every Friday and we go live or do a Zoom call once a month. So if you'd like to support the channel on a regular basis, the lowest tier is only $1.99 a month. So thank you to the Chic Society for bringing us the Chic Assignment. Okay. I'm so excited about this month. I know I say that every time, but these just keep getting better. So let's jump right into Chic Assignment number 1. Chic Assignment number 1 is to enjoy Gabriel Fauré's Pavane Opus 50. Gabriel Fauré was a French composer, organist, pianist, and teacher. He was one of the foremost French composers of his generation, and his musical style influenced many 20th century composers. So you won't believe this, but I am actually not that familiar with Gabriel Fauré. I have heard a few of his pieces, but I've been deep diving into his work over the past few weeks, and I am completely obsessed. I have listened to Pavane Opus 50 on repeat over and over and over again. And I have a video that actually shares him playing it in 1913, and that's going to be the video that we're going to watch this month, or listen to rather. And this is such a beautiful piece, like one of the most beautiful pieces of classical music I have ever heard in my life. It's very nuanced, and I can't wait for you to listen to it. So I'm going to leave that link down below. It's Pavane Opus 50. And yes, I can't wait to hear what you think about it. We are going to learn more about Gabriel Fauré in the mid-month check-in. Chic Assignment number 2 is to explore the poetry of Rumi. Rumi was a 13th century Persian poet, Islamic scholar, theologian, and Sufi mystic, originally from the Greater Khorasan in Greater Iran. Rumi's influence transcends national borders and ethnic divisions. So I have heard of Rumi in my life. I've read a few of his famous quotes and poems, but I haven't really studied him that much. So I'm looking forward to doing that this month. And I'm sure most of you have already heard about him. At the end of this video, I'm going to read one of his poems called Love Sounds the Music of the Spheres. And we're also going to read a few of his famous quotes. And in the mid-month check-in, we're going to read more because his quotes are very deep. Okay, so I can understand why people are really interested in Rumi, and his poetry is beautiful. So we are going to expand our horizons and we're going to learn more about Rumi this month. Chic Assignment number 3 is to do a 15-minute decluttering challenge. Set the timer for 15 minutes this month and see how much you can get done. I'm sure there's some project in your home that you've been putting off, you're dreading it. Well, set the 15-minute timer and see how much you can get accomplished. I am doing this in one of my videos this month for Mega Motivation, so I look forward to sharing that with you for hopefully added inspiration. And Chic Assignment number 4, you might be able to guess what this is, but we are going to transition our wardrobe for the change in seasons. So summer is upon us here, and it's time to go through your wardrobe and ask yourself, okay, what do I need to take out from spring? What do I need to bring in for summer? You could look at the older clothing that you have stored, or perhaps you would like to buy something new. Now is the time to do it for this transition. Of course, our Southern Hemisphere friends are going into winter, so they will be doing that for their season. But yes, we are going to be transitioning our wardrobe for summer. Of course, I'm going to be sharing my transition for my wardrobe with you on the channel this month. Chic Assignment number 5 is always to continue reading. And I'm still reading the Dorothy Wordsworth journals, so I'm kind of stuck a few Chic Assignments behind, but they're really good. So that's what I'm reading, and I would love to know what you are reading in the comment section down below. Okay, so now let's read Rumi's poem. So this is translated by William Hastie, and of course all the poems have to be translated. They were not written in English. And this is called Love Sounds the Music of the Spheres. O soul, if thou too wouldest be free, then love the love that shuts thee in. 'Tis love that twisteth every snare. 'Tis love that snaps the bond of sin. Love sounds the music of the spheres. Love echoes through earth's harshest din. The world is God's pure mirror clear, to eyes when free from clouds within. With love's own eyes the mirror view, and there see God to self akin. So I find that with Rumi's poetry, I have to read it over and over again and really look at each line, because each line is just totally infused with meaning. But here, I want to read a few of his quotes for you as well. And I have a link, which I'll share down below, that has a lot of his quotes. And I was reading some of them this morning, and some of them just completely knocked me out with their truth. So here we go. Here's one. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. I'm not going to read that again, but you can rewind it and listen to it again if you need to. That one is really powerful. We build up barriers, don't we? Okay, this one. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. I like that one. What you seek is seeking you. And this one is really good. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. And I always say that you can't change other people, you can only change yourself. So that one's pretty good. Okay, this one really got me. It says, goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes, because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. That's like so beautiful. Anyway, I truly hope you enjoy the Chic Assignment this month. Use the hashtag The Chic Assignment on social media to share it with other people. Thank you so much for joining me here on the Daily Connoisseur. I will see you tomorrow. This is going up a day early because tomorrow I have a very fun video for you. So I will see you tomorrow on the channel. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you then. Goodbye.